Hey up everyone, you alright? Welcome to Palma Nova. So I'm 2 weeks from the end of the season here in Palma Nova, and I just wanted to come in and see what it's like. Are the crowds gone? Are the bars closing? But this is when you really see what a place is like, don't you? So most people come to Palma Nova in the summer when it's got packed bars, packed beaches, loud music. But I wanted to see the real Palma Nova and see whether it calms down a bit towards the end of the season. But look at this place, it's still absolutely stunning. So if you want to come with me and have a look at Palma Nova, come on, let's go. So we're starting off at the north side of Palma Nova with a little arbories. That's lovely in this sun. As you turn around, we've got the promenade here. But just look at that beach, isn't it lovely? Turquoise water. Right, we'll go and follow this promenade and follow the beach and have a look what's about. It's good to see Palma Nova's got these showers on the end of the beach as well. Just can see people sitting around in the sun, enjoying the vibe. Even playing bat and ball games on the beach, look. Not very good though, are they? A few bars on the other side, some apartments, Fergus Hotel. And back on the prom we've got a shoe. Well, a statue of a shoe. Why is there a statue or a shoe in the middle at promenade? Let me know in the comments. Plenty of empty sunbeds, look. It's late in the season, but you can't get these in summer. For a nice beach bar there, end of the sand. Lots more shops, restaurants, bars, and we've got another Elvis. So it looks like from here you can either go on the street or you can go up them steps and walk around that little bit of headland. We'll go and do the street. Start off with a nice little bar. It is past midday and them cocktails in there look gorgeous. It's like a lot of shops on here. There just had to be one, didn't there? And there it is, right on the front. That's the little headland that we could have walked over. And this is another beach here at Palma Nova. So this one is actually the main beach here at Palma Nova. So this is where they all come, all the tourists. I think the locals go to, I think there's two more, one on either side, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think they go to them. But it is a lovely beach. It's funny, innit, how times change, because that McDonald's there, I used to spend all my time in it when I was 18, 19. Because Magaluf was the place to be. No more. For McDonald's, I mean. Right, so we're back up on the promenade. Plenty of hotels, Palio Tropico, and plenty of people sat about just looking out to sea. Yeah, like I said, I come here when I was 18, 19, and honestly, I can't remember this place. Must have been done up a bit. Oh, isn't it funny, I can remember that McDonald's there. I don't even like McDonald's. Vans, Oakley, Lacoste, Ralph Lauren, Hugo Boss, Ray-Ban. But is it really? Paradise, live music, live sports, cocktails in the kitchen. That's nice in the sun, isn't it? Do you know what? It smells lovely. Got a reef there on the corner. We'll do the best cocktails in town, apparently. Another one on end here. There's some right sun traps, although sun and alcohol don't go. So look after yourselves. Oh wow, Banana Joe's. That was the first pub we used to go in when I was 18. It's still there. A long time ago. Wow. Well, that was a blast from past. And another blast from past. Now this used to be the Don Bigote. And this is where I used to stay. And it hadn't changed a bit. It's now called the Tent Palma Nova. Unreal. Isn't it weird, the things that you remember? Some more bars, restaurants, fish bars. It's got it all here in Palma Nova. Indians, more restaurants. And another Indian. How many Indians can you get in one strip of road? And it's here. The first one we've come across. The tat shops. We love them, don't we? And one goes and karaoke. We've got a little, I say little, it's actually quite big. Open area here. Outdoor gym. Some slides and swings for kids. What a lovely area this is. Bang in the middle of Palma Nova. And we've even got a statue of, I have no idea. Carry on walking. The Diana Beach Bar. A plethora of tat shops now, all in a line. And then you've got the Globalis Santa Lucia. That's in a good spot, isn't it? Looking out to sea. Three Brothers is busy. It's a nice bar, isn't it? Yeah, the Turtle Beach Bar there. With the Globalis. And then right round onto the beach. A few more people on this bit of beach. Only at this side. Yeah, it's very quiet. We are in the afternoon now, so you'd have thought more people would be out. There's a few, but not as many as I thought. I mean, the weather's glorious. It's 26, 27 degrees, sun's out. I know they've had some bad weather here, haven't they? So probably put some people off coming. But no, it's a lovely place like I remember it, and you can't believe it's so close to Magaluf, can you? And talking about Magaluf, if you want to see a video of Magaluf and what that's like, end of the season, hit that subscribe button, bell for notification, and when it comes onto the channel, which should be after this one, you'll see Magaluf. Right, we'll keep walking up this promenade, and then when we get to the end of the beach, we'll come back on ourselves and have a look at the road again. Yeah, it's a lovely beach, this. Really impressed. The thing is, I won't remember the beach because all I was bothered about were having a drink and sleeping. But I missed out, didn't I? Should have got up. So little, if anybody's watching who's of the younger generation and you come here clubbing, don't spend all day in bed. Get up and come and see how beautiful it is. Lay on this beach. Yeah, there's definitely a few more people up this end. Balcony's beds as well. Plenty of restaurants on this promenade. And plenty more people on the beach down this end. Another one here, look. A beach house. And you've got the Commodore Player Hotel. There's a lovely bar underneath. There is some lovely bars on this front. Quite impressed. Zen Lounge Bar. Well, these little bars are really lovely. With a great view out onto the beach. So this is where the beach of Palma Nova ends, and you've got the headland of Torrenova then behind me, which you have to climb up. Then obviously Magaluf on the other side. Right, let's go and we'll go back and we'll walk down the street. Right, I'm just walking up this hill, and it's an hill, because I want to have a look at the Torrenova headland, see if we can see any views. At the Palma Nova Majorca Hotel there. I wouldn't like to think I was staying up here. That's a right walk. Although, there's quite a lot of residential properties it looks like. But this part, as you can see, lots of residential properties. See, we just don't do the tourist bits here on this channel. We take you to the local hidden gems. So hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Because I'm earning it. It's a right hike. That's nice. And that's traditional. And that is the old fort, or some kind of castle here on top of the Torrenova headland. Unfortunately, you can't get into it. What a shame. We've walked all the way up here. We can't get in. And I don't think there's any views because it's all cordoned off. Right, back down. Well, I suppose at least we've got to see a little bit of the real Palma Nova, haven't we? And the way the Mallorcans live. See, there's always a positive. So it's a nice hotel, isn't it? The Fergus style Tobago. And the blue bar. Look at that, that's nice. And now we're back down to the Commodore Player Hotel and the beach here in Palma Nova. Right, that's us back to the road. We're going to go this way, because if you go that way, you go to Magaluf. And that's another video. Looks like that one's all shut down. We've got kebabs. We've got pizzas. And we've got pubs. So we've got a little shopping centre here. That's for all the ladies. Look at this one. This is nice. And as that sign says, left for Magaluf, right for Palma Nova. We've had the best cocktails in town. Now we've got the best burgers in town. It's getting to that time again. It's nearly time for a pint, I think. We've got to have a pint, haven't we? We can't come to Palma Nova and not have a pint. Steakhouse Nova Grill. And lots of shops on the other side of the road. And here we have the grill house. Well, that there is one big restaurant, the Heritage. Plenty more restaurants down here. And there's Gastro Bar. That's an imposing hotel, isn't it? That's the Son Matias Beach. That's huge. So as you can see, I'm back at the Turtle Beach now, overlooking the beach. So I'm going to have a walk in front of this hotel, see if we can see out from this little headland here. Look how clear that sea is. Don't know if you can make it out on the camera. And there's the headland we've just been to, so somewhere up there was that little castle. We walked all the way up there, around the beach. Then you can see the other side of the headland, the other beach, the main beach. Over there, and we started our tour over there somewhere around where the harbour is. So I've come back to the Nova that we saw earlier, and I've ordered myself a chicken salad, chicken Caesar salad, a beer and a water. That's my lunch today, and I'm ready for this. So cheers everyone. It's getting a regular occurrence this, isn't it? Right, it's time for the food. It's a nice salad. The Caesar salad's got. This is actually really nice. I'm struggling though. See if I can get a bit more down me. Got lots of walking to do. Well, I'm here back on the beach, and that's where I'm going to end this video of my day here in Palma Nova. And you know what? I'm so glad that I've come at the end of the season. It's a lot quieter, not a lot of people about, but to be honest, you really get to see the place for what it is. It's relaxed and it really is beautiful here. Everybody talks about Magaluf and the crazy side of Mallorca, but this is the calm side, and it really is more me. So if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe down below. It does mean a lot, appreciate it, and it shoves the channel out as well. Don't forget that hype button, and if you ever come into Majorca, don't miss this place out, especially if it's end of season. So until the next time, goodbye.